Walk up tight through the sides of your body, back stiff, hips locked, like you slept in a knot. This morning, we're creating space again, so you can move from center, not strain. Let's hit the mat. Start kneeling with your right foot out to the side. Place your right elbow on your thigh and reach overhead, leaning to the left, swinging your arm gently. We really stretch our side body, but that's where hidden tension builds from sitting, scrolling, and slouching. I promise this will give your ribs room to breathe and your spine room to move. Beginners, keep the hand on thigh. Advanced, drop elbow to the floor or reach longer through the top arm. 5 more seconds. Stretch through the fingertips like you're lengthening your whole day. Switch sides now. Feel that? One side is always tighter, especially if you carry a bag, a kid, or you're stressed unevenly. Try to match the range you had on the first side, or beat it. This move wakes up muscles you forgot existed. That just resets your side body. Now let's fold into the back line. Stand tall with feet wide apart. Reach down to your right foot, then center, then left. Let your hamstrings lengthen and inner thighs release. This move connects your lower back, hips, and hamstrings. One chain, one breath at a time. I promise this unlocks that pulling you feel from sitting too long or standing without support. Beginners, bend knees slightly. Advanced, keep legs straight and increase speed gently. Five more seconds. Reach a little further this time. That just frees your lower half. Now let's anchor the spine. Come onto hands and knees. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Hold steady. Brace your core. This isn't just a stretch. It's balance, control, and spinal awareness. I promise this teaches your core to protect your back and stabilize posture for the whole day. Beginners, keep toes and fingertips on the floor. Advanced, add a crunch in between reps. Do you feel your abs trembling? That's control waking up. Switch sides, left arm forward, right leg back. Your job? Stay calm in the wobble. It's not about being perfect, it's about being connected. Last 5 seconds. Lock in your form, setting the tone for the day. That just activates your deep core. Now let's finish grounded and centered. Sit tall, feet flat, drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate like windshield wipers. Keep the spine upright. This targets your hip rotators, key muscles that stabilize your stride and prevent injury. I promise it unlocks rotational stiffness that limits how you walk, twist, and even sit. Beginners, keep your hands behind you for support. Advanced, sit taller or hover hands. Hold the next rep 5 seconds longer. This is where growth happens. That just unlocked your hips. Now we finish where tension hides deepest. Stand tall, hinge at the hips and fold down. Let your arms dangle, soften the knees or straighten, your choice. The stretch speaks to your whole back line, from calves to spine to breath. I promise it decompresses your spine, resets your nervous system and leaves you lighter. Beginners, bend knees and support hands on shins. Advanced, grab opposite elbows and sway gently. Final challenge, let go completely for 5 full seconds. That just cleared the static. Now here's your deeper reset.